guys, today I'll tell you about a recipe of the Gulab Jamun. Ingredients for Gulab Jamun: sugar, water, egg, maida, baking powder, dry milk, cardamom, egg. Going to make sugar syrup. Going to boil water and sugar on the stove. Add cardamom in the sugar syrup. 1 lemon juice also. Dry milk in the pot. Half teaspoon baking powder and mix well. Teaspoon of maida. 2 tablespoon ghee. Put cardamom powder. Add half egg and mix well. Make the balls like this. Put the oil on the pot and keep on the stove. Add ball in the ghee and fry. After fried, then put in the sugar syrup. Put the Gulab Jamun in the sugar syrup for 30 minutes and cover it. Now it's ready to eat. Yummy! Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.